Hello, everyone. I am Rohit. Welcome to English Speaking Spot Podcast.
Hi, I am Ananya. We are happy to have you here.
Today's topic is office communication.
Yes, we'll talk in simple English so you can understand easily.
So let's begin. Ananya, office communication is very important, right?
Absolutely. Good communication makes work easy.
I agree. Many people feel nervous in the office.
That's true, especially when they speak English.
What kind of communication happens daily in an office?
There are many types, talking with team members, managers, clients, and HR.
Let's start with basic greetings.
Sure, simple words like good morning, hello, and how are you are common.
And replies like, I'm fine, thank you.
Exactly.
How should beginners talk with colleagues?
They should use short and clear sentences.
Like,
For example, can you help me? Please check this file. Let's finish this today.
nice and easy.
Yes, no need for complicated words.
What about asking updates?
You can say, point 1, what is the status? Point 2, is the task complete? Point 3, when can we submit it?
And polite replies?
Work is in progress. I'll complete it by evening. I need more time.
Very practical lines. We also communicate through emails and chat apps.
Yes, writing clearly is also communication.
Sometimes I don't know how to start a message.
Use simple starters. Hi, Rohit. Dear Sir. Hello, team.
That helps a lot. Now the scary part, talking to the manager.
Haha, not so scary if you're polite.
What should I say when I need guidance?
You can say, Sir, I need your advice. Could you please guide me? Can we discuss this?
And when the manager gives work?
You can say, Sir, I need your advice. Could you please guide me? Can we discuss this?
That sounds professional. Leave communication is also important.
Yes, beginners often make mistakes here.
What is a good way?
Sir, I need 1 day leave. May I take leave tomorrow? I'm not feeling well.
And replies from manager side?
Your leave is approved. Please complete urgent work first. Take care.
Let's talk about meetings.
In meetings, listening and speaking both matters.
True, I feel shy to give opinions.
Use simple lines. In my opinion, I think we should. I agree with this point.
And disagreeing?
Politely. Sorry, I have a different view. I don't fully agree. Can we try another idea?
Very useful. What about talking with clients on call?
Stay polite and clear.
Example lines?
Hello, this is Ananya from XYZ Company. How can I help you? I'll send you the details.
And if you don't know the answer?
Simple. Let me check and get back to you. I'll confirm with my manager.
Nice survival tricks. Everyone makes mistakes in the office.
Yes, and you must communicate them.
Like saying sorry.
Exactly. Sorry for the delay. I made a small mistake. I'll correct it immediately.
That reduces problems.
One big tip, always use please and thank you.
I agree 100%.
Even simple words create respect.
So, Ananya, we discussed many easy office communication lines today.
Yes, all simple and practical.
I hope our listeners learned something useful.
Keep practicing English confidently in your office.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next podcast episode.
Let's speak English with confidence together.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe.